Hi, my name is Nicole. I'm 43 years old. I work in the aesthetic industry and I really want more volume in the butt area. Why does my butt bother me? I would say probably in the last 5 years, I started to notice some big changes where losing volume, still doing a lot of working out at the gym, lots of lunges, a lot of leg work, but just not seeing the results that I want. And of course now everybody wants that nice round, high butt. And I feel like I need some extra help getting that.
Okay guys, we're here with Nicole and we're going to do an assessment on her buttock area to see what modalities we're going to use to improve the texture, volume and actual structure. So Nicole, we're going to design a plan for you. Number one, we're going to tighten the skin. You have a bit of cellulite and also some stretch marks. So we're going to shrink wrap the skin around your buttocks so it looks nicer. Secondly, we're going to give you more volume. We're going to use the EM sculpt to significantly increase the muscle mass to give you more peaky butts. And finally, you have small banana rolls just on the lower aspect of your thigh. So we're going to permanently dissolve them using Profound, which is radio frequency. So 3 things, we're going to structure your plan. And I think within the next 6 months, you will see significant improvements.
It's uncomfortable having to show the area of your body that you don't love that much, but super excited about the plan and can't wait to get started. Like, who the heck doesn't want an awesome booty? I know I do.